Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue with these snowmans here. They are 4 singing snowmans with each of their little booklet with the notes in, or the songs if you want. And just like we used to, I am starting with covering these figurines with white paint. And I'm just taking my time and giving it a very thin layer of white. And then I'm just gonna do this 2, 3, 4 times until I'm really happy with the coverage of the white on these figurines. When the white paint is all dry, I am going to continue with the black here, and I am going to paint all their little hats here. I don't actually know what these hats are called in English. But my dad actually had one of these that was pretty neat. It can be kind of folded together and puffed out. It's a really nice hat. And you don't really see people wearing them today. Kind of a shame, because I kind of like this hat. Anyway, I am painting every one of these hats. Yes, every one of these hats here with black, and I'm just taking my time so I don't get the black everywhere where you don't want it. And I'm also going to use my dotting tool to make their eyes. This is a bit difficult, and I'm actually making the eyes a bit too big for my liking, but it's the only way I can do it, and I want them to have the eyes when they're done, so I'm doing that as well. I'm just being very careful with my dotting tool. Maybe you can do this better than I can. I painted the first book cover in yellow, and now I am painting their mittens in red. I'm deciding to paint every book cover here in a different color, but you could paint them all in the same color if you like that. But I think it was more fun to bring a lot of color in right here, and it makes kind of sense to make the book covers different colors for me, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I mixed a tiny bit of the red into my yellow and got this orangey color that I am going to paint their noses with, so they have this really nice orangey carrot nose here. So now I am just going to paint the different books in different colors. Oh, and I did paint their scarves gray. I just didn't record that for some reason, but I did paint their scarves. So that was the purple book. Here we are going in with a green book, making sure I get into all the small details, so it looks really nice when it's all done. And then the last book, I am going to paint that with a blue color. So there we have the 4 different songbooks for these singers. Then I am going to bring out the tree, and I am finding the place where I need the singers to be standing, and I'm using my super glue gel, just a tiny bit on each of the bottoms of the snowmans here, and then I am gluing them around the little fire pit here where they're kind of standing and singing together and enjoying the Christmas time. I have a few of these small gifts here that I still need to put somewhere, and I decided to just go ahead and place them here and there where I think they fit in. Just one here and one there, and then this one is gonna go underneath here where there's room for it, and I actually think I'm placing the last one over in this corner. Is that the last one? No, I have one more. And just gluing that in there. I think, oh, I had one more, and that is going on the lower what you call that, lower platform here, and I'm sorry that I didn't get that. Now for the greenery around this top part, actually there it is. Now for the greenery around this top part that we just got all done, again I'm just straightening out this greenery, and then I'm using my hot glue to glue that around here. I glued the greenery onto the platform with my hot glue gun and making sure everything is sitting really nice. So that's it for today. We are getting really close to an end on this tree, but there are still some really cool details coming up. So if you're getting tired of watching me paint, you might still hang around because we also have to see it turned on. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.